People who don't share their feelings are often misunderstood. Most people think they are cold or emotionally distant. But in reality, they are mentally tougher than most people. Some people feel deeply, very deeply. They just don't talk about it. They don't explain every emotion. They don't open up to everyone. And that silence is not weakness. Point 1. Emotional control. People who don't share their feelings have strong emotional control. They don't react instantly. They don't explode. They don't overshare. They pause. They think. Then they respond. This ability to slow down emotions is a sign of mental strength. Point 2. They are self-reliant. These people rely on themselves emotionally. They don't need constant comfort. They don't look for validation. When something hurts, they deal with it quietly. They sit with their emotions until they understand them. That level of independence takes strength. Point 3. Silence is a choice. They are not silent because they have nothing to say. They are silent because they choose to be. They understand that not everyone deserves access to their inner world. So they protect their emotions by keeping them private. Point 4. They observe more. People who don't share their feelings usually observe more than they speak. They notice small changes. They notice tone shifts. They notice behavior patterns. While others are talking, they are watching. This awareness helps them stay grounded in emotional situations. Point 5. They process pain differently. When something goes wrong, they don't run to explain it. They process pain internally. They replay conversations. They reflect on their reactions. They learn quietly. Instead of expressing pain outward, they turn it inward to grow stronger. Point 6. They avoid emotional noise. They understand one simple truth. Talking to the wrong people creates more problems. So they stay quiet. They avoid unnecessary opinions. They avoid judgment. They avoid emotional noise. This keeps their mind calm and focused. Point 7. They are not cold. Not sharing feelings doesn't mean lack of emotion. It means control over emotion. These people still care deeply. They just express it differently. Through actions. Through loyalty. Through consistency. Point 8. Trust is rare for them. They don't open up easily because trust is rare for them. Once broken, they learn to be careful. So when they do share something, it means you matter. Their silence makes their trust valuable. Point 9. Mental toughness explained. Mental toughness is not about being loud. It's about staying stable. When emotions are heavy, people who don't share their feelings can stay balanced, even when things are difficult. That is real strength. So if you don't share your feelings easily, it doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It means you handle emotions quietly, carefully, and strongly. If you relate to this, your mind works differently from most people. And that difference is strength.